Can a gentleman help me? See if I can. Another gentleman here? Hello? Aha. Let's see if I can. No, I can't. I'm too old for this. Sorry. It's too high. Okay, you have to hear me like this. So, what we have here is the shrine. All. Okay? There you have the new church. Inside, it's pretty much empty, except for a big statue of Our Lady, 3 meters high. The cross of Christ, where the Christ is suffering, because he was suffering, but he also has this look of someone who made peace with everything. I love that cross. And there's this panel, tiled covered gold, so that's really also something special to be seen. This one is the old, the big one is the old church. It reminds me a little bit of the Vatican, you know, with this, like the arms opening, you know, to the people. It was inaugurated in 1956 only, and the reason is because sometimes, well, it took the church some time to accept the apparitions. As you can imagine, children, you know, people would say, well, that's stories the children are telling. But no, the church ended up accepting the apparitions, and that's why the original church was only built later on. It was inaugurated in 57. Now, that is the big tower that is written on your program, 64 meters high. The crown on the top is 7,000 kilos, 7 tons. And it represents the crown of the Queen of Portugal, because the Queens of Portugal, since one of the kings decided that from then on the Queen of Portugal would be Our Lady. So the queens didn't have the right to wear the crown, the royal crown. Of course they wore other jewelry, but the crown of Portugal belongs to Our Lady, and that's what it represents there on the top, the crown of the Queen of Portugal. Inside that you have the shepherd's tombs. On the one side you have the boy, on the other side you have the 2 girls. Okay, so it's very easy. There's a beautiful altar piece with an image of the angel, you know, sharing light with the shepherds. It's really nice to see. And there's a beautiful organ as well. Okay, so if you look on the, when you go in on the first floor, you have a beautiful but modern organ. And this is for me the most important, it's this building here, okay? It's the smallest one, but that's inside that building.
Which one, sorry?
This one here, right here.
The glass.
The glass and metal one. So not the church, but this small one here, where there's a lot of people inside. It's glass and metal because it's only a cover, okay? It's only there to cover the chapel of the apparitions, because inside you have a little chapel, beautiful, cute little thing, which is precisely on the place where Our Lady appeared. And in front of it there is the original statue, which was made together with the chapel, made with money that people gave away, okay? So when the word of the miracle started spreading, people came here and they left money on the place. And with that money, one lady from the area did order the chapel, the little chapel, and the statue. So the statue is in front of the chapel. Inside there, you can't see it, but you can see there is a building inside. That's the little chapel. You cannot go inside it, okay? You can only stand outside. You will see there are some people kneeling, going on their knees. That's part of the promise, okay? Sometimes we promise to walk 100 kilometers and the last piece will be kneeling or even crawling, okay? Sometimes they also kneel with a baby. If the gift from Our Lady was for the baby, they might take the baby in their arms as well. And that is also the place where you can light a candle. Next to it, here, where these people are, You have a corner, you will see it right away. You have a corner where you